series, and in this video we will find out the difference between standard form and usual form. So what is standard form? A number is said to be in standard form if it is expressed as the product of a number between 1 and 10 and the integral power of 10. And how we write the usual form? Normal form of a number, the way we write our usual number. Now the standard form, this A should be lie between 1 and 10. This is common every time, and M is an integer, so it can be positive, it can be negative. What is usual form? Usual form is without base and exponent. This is the example how we write standard form. 2, which is lying between 1 and 10. Also there is 10 raised to the power m. And usual form are general number. The other example of usual form, this is also a usual form without base and exponent. Now decimal movement, how decimal move in case of standard form? When m is positive, it moves from right to left, and when m is negative, it moves left to right. In usual form, it is totally opposite. When m is positive, it moves right, and when m is negative, it moves left. Let's do it with the help of example. Conversion of usual to standard form. Suppose this is my number 8953.65. Now this decimal place is wrong. As per standard form, this decimal supposed to be here between 8 and 9. Now which side it is moving? It is moving towards left and 3 steps. That is why our m is positive. Let's do one more example. This time a decimal is here, but this number, the number before this decimal, is not between 1 and 10. That is why we need to shift our decimal, and it should be between 8 and 9. So how many steps are we taking towards which direction? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are taking 4 steps towards right. That is why this m is negative. Whereas in usual form, there is base and exponent, but in usual form there shouldn't be any base and exponents. That means this decimal will move towards right. Why? Because m is positive. And how many steps? 3 steps. That is why decimal supposed to be here. Let's take one more example. Our m is negative in this case. That means it will move towards left. And how many steps? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the trick is insert 0 in between, as there are no numbers. So 1, 2, 3, and here is our decimal place. Hence your number will become 0.000893. All the points are summarized here in the form of table. Go through this table, and this will help you in converting standard form to usual form and usual form to standard form. Thank you.